So we were discussing provisions regarding allotment. We have already discussed the general provisions, which means provisions which are applicable on any contract. In this video we discuss about statutory provisions. Statutory provisions are the provisions as per Companies Act 2013, right? So if a company wants to make allotment, it has to follow these provisions, otherwise that allotment will be called as irregular allotment. Let us see quickly what these regulations, what these provisions are. Number one, if you are to allot shares, you have to have a prospectus which is registered with the ROC. Second, the minimum subscription you should receive should be 90% as per SEBI, and it should be received within 30 days of issue of prospectus. Then the amount which you are receiving, want to receive at least 5% of the nominal value of shares must be through application money. So जो पैसा कंपनी एप्लीकेशन पे इकट्ठा करती है वो कम से कम 5% ऑफ द नॉमिनल वैल्यू ऑफ शेयर्स होना चाहिए. Alright, then application money is to be kept separately in a scheduled bank. जो पैसा आप इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं एप्लीकेशन मनी के तौर पे, you have to keep it separately in a scheduled bank. You cannot mix it with any other funding of the company. Then the minimum subscription अगर नहीं होती तो क्या होगा, तो आपको जो एप्लीकेशन मनी मिला था जितना भी, वो आपने विदिन 15 days ऑफ द क्लोजर ऑफ इशू वापस करना पड़ेगा आपको. एंड वंस द अलॉटमेंट इज़ डन, अगर आपको मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन आया, आपने अलॉटमेंट करी, तो वो अलॉटमेंट की जो भी डिटेल्स हैं वो आपको आरओसी के साथ फाइल करनी होती है. अगर कंपनी और कंपनी के ऑफिसर्स ये प्रोविजंस फॉलो नहीं करते, देन देयर इज़ अ पेनल्टी विच इज़ 1000 पर डे और 1 लाख रुपीज़, विच एवर इज़ लेसर. Also we have to take care in this that the company must list all its public issue with stock exchange as per section 40, or there will be a penalty. अगर आप stock exchange पे listed नहीं हैं और आप एक public issue कर रहे हैं तो क्या penalty है, कंपनी को 5 से 25 लाख and officers को up to 3 lakhs. Last, public and private company has to make issue of securities in demat form. However, small companies are exempted, but otherwise now the issue of security is in demat form. So these were the provisions for making a valid allotment of shares by a company.